Big up Crosses TV.
I'm afraid, Mr. Crosses TV. I'm afraid. I'm not saying nothing. Crosses TV, I'm afraid. I don't want you to record me. I'm not about to talk.
I can't say. I have one phone, I have two phone again.
And get my body and put up all of my name, man. And this, I tell me, say, if we can't do nothing about it.
I mean, I have nothing against G, you know. I don't have nothing against him. God, no.
I know, man. I say take everything personal. I say,
You have a time when you come back on dog. You know.
Yeah.
You see?
That's why I'm not paying no
I'm
mind.
not paying no mind. You see, time can't get no liquor and no ganja. When you can't get liquor and ganja, you go up in your feelings. You see me?
You can't take me on.
See, man, I bill hey, funny man, put in your teeth. I see, man, I bill ask if I be a pit there on a speak to blood. Joey, man, Joey, for
what's another?
You say, man, take out the bottom.
Nobody come.
Man, take out the bottom teeth. Take out the bottom teeth. Nah, take out the top one, you know.
Them say my skin thin, so you see through them say my skin thin. I mean, I take certain disrespect. I run no joke. I mean, I want nobody on the internet.
You're supposed to smell bad in the mouth to pussy.
Stevie, big up yourself, you know. Me not to run no joke with that lady her name Miss T neither to come. She's a feisty lady, so me not to. And I'm dep on her live and me come down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You go down or you come down?
Forward half.
Oh.
Yeah.
Teflon.
And what I know? 9:43. Me now left at 10:30. Step me want a lunch money now, man, in the car. Me now done work till 6 o'clock in the evening, blood.
That healthy for you.
10 to 6. No, that's a good. That's good hours.
11.
And one people where I work from 2 o'clock yesterday evening.
Oh.
Me.
Camille say, "We you do double."
Yep.
Camille can't buy me a lunch in the morning.
Camille, which part of the yesterday?
What's up, baby?
No, but that one assisted living right now, supervisor middle.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm bother with them.
Band blitz.
Can't bother with the assisted living right now.
Lie down.
Band blitz.
Me never work so hard in my life.
But with the assisted, well,
the only thing I like is I could have double and make my money, but it's too hard.
First, you know, really do not just monitor everybody.
I saw somebody my maga down other day and everybody know everybody has said, "Why make you lose so much weight?"
Yeah,
assisted living me there work.
And that's your way.
You really go behind my back. And I put argument to Nicole, my youth.
No, I'm not putting up an argument. Nicole is our man. So what part of that you never hear or see?
Listen.
When Nicole's a cheaper man.
Me don't want Nicole.
Oh, I'm glad you say you don't want Nicole.
Me don't want Nicole. Me do with Nicole. Me do with Nicole.
And Nicole to bomb. You know, just the yes I tell Charlie say
Nicole a thief. Nicole a thief. I come back to my sense that you just wake up. Nicole a thief. Nicole thief of all that try money go buy house and can't sleep in her bed. Good torment your fuck.
I don't want to over here.
Camila, it's a bit easy yourself, Camila. You know, listen, you know.
Try, I learn. Try.
You have enough more to learn. You have enough more. So Titi in attack. Titi listen to Titi know.
One in the last few days, Titi. Because of the pan live and try straight up saying wife, right? And Nicole, of course, gonna have feelings and draw to what I bill and receipt and show up evidence them, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Nicole do not want me to talk to nobody. No care who.
Night no. And I say,
next time I phone if you really are a joke or something.
I mean,
joke to blood clot.
Nah, joke.
Him John no one say yo Chipper film lawyer. I never did know Chipper in us. I know Chipper was introduced to me as trial lawyer.
Mm-hmm.
All right. When he introduced to me as trial lawyer, I saw me know him. So the whole case we are going now is like I try now in the hot water, right? So
yeah, but Because I don't know if I make Chipper be lie and Chipper about my seat.
Well,
Chipper go play on the both sides.
Well, no, since night now, Nicola forward on the live and true. Wait, name. I can't remember. Too real. I say, oh, Chipper and Nicola over so Rob catches and Sinting and Nicola and Chipper like they fully, right? And have the evidence and sitting and say, I say blouse and skirt, more evidence now as the judge I know say, say my job get hotter now and get harder. And then on top of that, I'm liar. I'm lying.
And I'm me.
Liar
and the matey now one.
Liar and the matey. But the man who have the evidence also is a person of interest. Can I look the woman too?
What a blood clot.
I thought make two real go up in her feelings because he want Nicole.
Yeah, but to me here two real I tell Nicole say for come to England and left the cross man them all long and make him take care of her. So I kind of confused. So you say this a situation bigger than me, so me leave it alone.
Momo was the ex, you know. So
Momo is no ex, because when Momo already Momo get up in her feelings, they are still our wife.
I mean, them not say me. I wanna fear ex too. So it's like Momo did I look the woman we try want, you know. So the whole case mixed up.
Are you more up on a date?
Steph.
Are you more big on a date?
Steph. Just give me lunch money now, man. I'm going to go on to work. If I don't get lunch money, I'm not going to work.
You know.
Yeah.
Nicola, come on. Yo. Right now, it better me and her just go check Momo and do a threesome. So me and Nicola and Momo. So none of them not end up with Nicola.
Yes, because right now the threesome sound more promising right now more than Chipper and Try.
Right. You know what, Nicola living on my DM and them thing, them not reading I message them.
You're there. But Steph, Royal now and Try. Royal get afraid. Royal make Nicola Shuba out.
I have news feel like BBC and CNN.
But she just had to say try. I put her down for Royal. So I don't understand. So no, I don't know.
No. A Riot Try never. When Try come to the conclusion, Try say, "Here what the two of you, yeah, man." And then Royal says she can't manage that.
And that happened. What happened? Bro, God, the one right there with Melo, where they rub crutches together. Him did a boot sub Try, boss a power couple. Pity him no know say I take Bro God over there, I take Royal from him, you know.
So no, Mike, this I wanted a story. This I wanted a story.
You know, long Try from morning when I come over here the first time, you know. I scroll through and see who over here. I say, Bro God, sit down over here and move, you know. You know, see him?
So sweet. So Try
yeah, thought today because I never otherwise I never see Royal and Bro God.
Think about you, baby.
Try. Robin know about this, Try?
Robin and my woman, bro. Robin and Nicola, my woman, bro.
So Robin get alright. Yeah, butterfly 10 Tory in a blood clean one.
One clean, or you know, mama.
But at then time you had the tea at.
Me I got England, cause America.
But I got no come back.
Huh?
Wouldn't mind no more flight now come back that way.
Really try. Boom, nah, man.
I see him less, man. I see him.
Listen.
I need to talk progressive.
Try. You have to go decide who is who though. So who are the one who have your heart? Who is the wife?
I see him less.
What the side chick? And who just had the
you know, so I feel like I say you want to start some problem, Camille, and you question them right now.
Yeah, the judge.
Left school from yesterday. Them left school.
Listen, you have rode it through this Saudi. Listen to me, man. Right now, I can't to all my head turn away. I really can't keep up, you know. Because if man I could have catch AIDS through the phone, him catch AIDS through the phone, cause everybody a wife, everybody a baby, everybody a this. That man is a brawling whore. That's why I don't judge for try. I don't lie for try.
Evidence, because here what Robin have to see this. Evidence. Yes, I no try.
And him love the people them with the R name, you see?
Yo,
Rudy, Robin,
this is healthy blood.
Rudy, Robin, Royal. Him love the R name them.
Try.
No, sir.
Try.
This not LTR blood cleat. Chris, big up yourself.
Try. Robin.
I know when Nicole do. Me send her the life all know she can't reach.
Try. Who is what go on, try?
Well, yeah, to interview me.
I don't know one of the time me that vote for Nicole, but me nah bother.
And you understand?
Yeah, yes, yeah, no.
Robin, true worker, Rudy, Robin, Nicola, Royal,
all inclusive.
And the Asian one, the tickers there.
Robin,
what's your name again?
Robin.
Yo, stop calling up her name, my girl. But if you hear this, Robin, what you try to do? She not.
Future big up yourself, you know.
Where the Asian one she named there again?
My cousin listen to all of this.
No, sir. I see him over here feature Steph a true chipper there make him have to take time talk.
What me I watch when I'm depending in there I trouble me asset.
Yeah, because everybody have film asset and nobody know for trouble film asset.
Watch my asset and things you say go.
No worry, me give Robin information to read already.
Yo, my girl, 2-wheel ugly. Yo.
I'm not do this today, not a man.
You don't love put up people on social media when you don't even know. You never see 2-wheel in real life. Why you think 2-wheel cash for yourself? 2-wheel damage. 2-wheel damage. 2-wheel come like you.
You just tell him on me. Ben up on me.
Stefan, what we having for lunch today?
But try to buy lunch.
Miss T.
I need a cash up. I need a cash up, baby. I need a cash up.
Bend up on Miss T and everything drop.
So that's why I want to try. Come tell nobody how my stay. So my all my car now.
The flan clips them nice.
Oh, you know, say I lip them nice, right?
The way she's done and put out a lip on her hand. I tell you, cheaper first, easy safe. Easy safe, cheaper. Go with Nicole.
Me no want Nicole.
Me no want Nicole either.
How much up goods that? I do that.
Steph, don't fall for the Yamid business right now, okay, baby? Please.
TT.
One thing we don't know the whole time when Nicole over here, everybody are worried over Nicole and all Nicole body sexy.
Camille, I'll come some reverse questions, some reverse conversation. Camille, Nicole is important right now. See nice woman at Steph London right now.
Them not say all of this with Crosses TV there for them blood clot. Them not say all of this with Nicole
TV there.
Yep.
That's all good then. It's not
okay, babes. You are my all-inclusive right now.
Hey. All you Steph, you see you too. You're going to me in some serious kind of talking, you know.
Chipper, you can't do if you start that. Chipper, you can't know if you start that right now. I should just text her number and I'm DM.
I saw internet work.
Yes.
Easier search. Chipper. One of fear. Chipper. Don't go and try one of fear.
But
Steph London is not for you.
Misty.
Let's try this time.
Good. Cause I come next week. Live and in living colors.
Camille. Camille,
And
that not have to
I
spread.
shall show her everything.
That not have to spread. She go there on me.
She go there on you try. No, sir.
We are going to Ice Hotel and Ice
Yeah.
Restaurant. So she tall, high
Glass
class.
all around.
I make sure somebody carrying at the M3. What you call that shit?
TV test the one.
Remember last time
Yeah,
I
no,
care pack over here? Remember last time I care pack
no.
over here? Out of
Yeah,
every car, Camille. Camille,
Try.
out of every car over your complex, I feel me care alone and want to repo because the car be so expensive over there.
Try. Yeah, forgot carry her in the big black van because she too tall, so the M3 now go can't hold
No,
her.
she can't relax a bucket seat. You go over Camille there already and out of every car, it alone and want to repo over there.
Which one? When you go over there with the M3.
Yeah, ask Camille. One man say, come out of the house. If you come out of the house, the blood clot record that take care go on the car.
They want to repo it alone because
I know repo that. They want to tow it away.
Yeah, they want to tow it alone because I can't even get it. Because it was the only one that was registered over my nice, clean, expensive complex.
And it's the prettiest car over there.
Yeah, but if you don't
5
register over
minutes,
the people that you can park in the people them parking lot.
TT, we spend 5 more minutes in a Camille house gone already.
Yeah, because you're there somebody parking space. I saw over there, I saw them.
No, man, you're not in a parking space. The car can't stand too long over there till 2 o'clock.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It have to register. It's not assigned parking, it have to register.
Yeah, have to register. I care where you park it.
But I
never remember because comedy in a plane and have this.
I want my say come out of house. If you come out of house, no, you record. You couldn't take up now. You couldn't take up and go with it already now. It can very low.
Yeah.
And they know say then take up it and tear up it. It'll cost them money.
Yeah.
So you take time and I put the wheel underneath if you lift up it. You're right, we have to drive with the palm 4 wheel.
Look how the one tattoo did I go cost you much money for that get bad.
Eh?
Girl, I would have feel bad, you know.
And
him still end up rob me night, you know. Him still end up rob me. Try get 2 or $300 extra from me that night.
They mean I go whip on my car, so I have blood clot take it.
You try it now.
I have to tell the man, say better, you know, why you out of every car and have to come from my car. And you pussy out, you know. It there right car be it costs more.
Mister, you know, come down for me. You know, come down for me birthday party.
Yeah, forgot me tell me I went. Right now, me
October,
I will take out cheaper.
Yeah, man,
That the blood clot take out cheaper.
Chipper gone, get ready for go
Larry can pussy clot.
Somebody say,
when you come down, we get tattoo.
Bad man, how you do?
I not really have no tattoo. I'm one.
Yeah, I'm going back like brother and brother. You come on for this.
Try after do a tattoo.
You love man or what? The man want go about him business. The man go about him business.
Love me brother. Love me brother in Jesus' name.
Look here, the man liar. Well, remember, say me tell you saying liar. Listen.
This a man that can't be nobody.
I'm gonna take him off again.
Try go to prison. The man probably have a phone call.
Try. I am.
Yo, me not lying, no. Steph nice, no?
Try everybody nice.
Alright, leave it alone.
Your phone never had a ring.
You don't know, say me go a party one night, yeah. And one man shoot himself in that party and fuck up the party. Fucking idiot.
You know why that happened? Because in Florida, they don't need permit anymore to buy them gun. Anybody can just buy. You ready?
You see your TT over here? Where TT? There she gone?
No.
So TT over here, I said this man I can't represent me. Yeah,
no, you go cut that grass.
I say you troublemaker man. I see you man. A troublemaker man.